good afternoon, good evening. So today we are going to learn how to transfer FSMO roles from primary domain controller to additional domain controller using PowerShell CMD lets. In a previous video, we learned transferring FSMO roles by using NTDS util in command prompt. But today we are going to learn the same uh, migration task but using PowerShell CMD lets. So we have two domain controllers. First one is USA ADC 001 and second one is INDDC 001. So now we are going to transfer our FSMO roles from INDDC 001 to USADC 002. So we can check how many domain controllers are exist in our domain. So there is a command called netdom query dc. This command will show you how many domain controllers are exist in your domain. So there are two domain controllers and currently FSMO roles exist on INTDC 001. How we can verify that? Just executing this command, the same command netdom query, but only the thing is going to change. We need to type here FSMO, so it will show us the roles where it is located, on which domain controller. Is it on USAD ADC or INDDC? See, the all roles okay except PDC because I had moved that role, but now you can see four roles are exist on INDDC 001. So we'll do one thing, we'll transfer these all roles one by one. Okay, so there is a command called move AD directory server operation master role. By using this command we can transfer FSMO roles from one DC to another DC. Okay, so now we are transferring a schema master, domain naming master, RID master and infrastructure master. These four roles we are going to transfer from INTDC to USA ADC, USA DC 002. So here from after this command we just need to type identity. Identity means where we are going to transfer the FSMO roles. We need to provide here remote domain controller name. So remote domain controller name is USA DC 002. Here we are going to transfer our roles on this DC USA DC 002. So after this we need to type operation master role. So which role operation master role we are going to move on USADC. So now we have all the FSMO roles names here in this notepad. We'll transfer one by one. The PDC emulator already has been transferred. So now we are going to transfer schema master. So we just need to type here schemaster, schema master, and after this we need to type force. If any confirmation or anything will not be asked to while transferring roles. Okay, now just I'm executing this command. Yeah, it is asking, do you want to move server? Yes. A schema master role to this server? Yes. I will type yes and hit enter. Yes, the schema master role has been transferred to USADC without any error. So next FSMO role will be RID master. So we need to just change this schema master to RID master. RID master. So now if we hit enter, it will ask yes. So this command will transfer RID master. Yes, it has been transferred without any error. Next command, next FSMO role will be infrastructure master. So we just need to type here. The rest command will be same. The only thing we are going to changing our operation master role name, right? So here we are going to type infra structure structure master infrastructure master. Yes. Do you want to move? Yes. I will type yes. Why? It will move. Yes, it has been moved without any error. Next, again we need to type the same command, move AD directory server operation master role to transfer domain naming master role. So domain naming master. We just need to type here domain naming master. Hit enter. Press Y. Exit. Without error, domain naming master also has been moved from INDDC to USADC. So now just clear the screen and execute the same command which we executed earlier. What was that command? netdom query FSMO. This command will show you the roles are exist on USA DC server. Okay. So earlier all roles were exist on INDDC. Now you can see all FSMO roles are exist on USA DC. Okay. So the command will be AD move AD directory server operation master role. Then you need to provide identity and operation master role, and then master role name and -force. So this will be the command. Now we just want to revert all the roles from USADC to INDDC. Okay, so we have command, the same command we are going to execute, but in this command we are going to transfer all the FSMO roles in single command. Okay, without typing every time, we just need to provide all FSMO roles by using comma separated value. So how we can do that? How can we do that? We just need to, I have logged into USADC now. So we just need to open PowerShell in run as administrator. And now here we need to type the same command, which is move -AD directory server operation master. Here we need to provide identity where we are going to transfer the roles. Now this is the USA DC server and we are going to migrate all the FSMO roles from USA DC to INDDC. We just need to provide INDDC 001. So this is the destination server. So we need to provide all operation master roles names by using comma separated value. So we have these names. So what we will do, we will enter these roles names in comma separated values. So what will happen? Once we execute this command, the roles will get migrated. Copy and just I am pasting it here. So now after this we need to provide force. Okay, once we execute this command, this will show us yes to press one by one, or press A, yes to all. Y means only one operation role will get executed, and again it will ask us to press Y, press Y, press Y 5 times for each role. But if we type A, it won't ask us every time for each role. It will move this command, means if we press enter, it will move all the roles at a time. I just pressed here A for yes to all and entered. So now you can see without any error all roles has been moved. So we'll go to that server USADC, sorry INDDC. So we are connected to INDDC now. So we will check host name, see INDDC, and we have migrated roles from USADC to INDDC. If you can see here INDDC 001. So we have connected to INDDC and we'll execute the same command. So you can see here all FSMO roles are exist on INDDC only. This is very simple. You just need to keep in mind that command move -AD directory. Okay, see INDDC 001. This is the output. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Bye. Have a great day.